Scott, it has been a busy day for you and the team tracking the threat of severe weather, numerous watches and warnings in place. What do we have at this hour? At this hour, we still have an active radar to the east-northeast, but going into tomorrow, the potential of more strong to severe storms. Our alert continues for your Thursday for the afternoon hour to the evening hours for us. Large hail damaging winds possible. But cooler temperatures. Today, we tied the record of 95. So let's break down this alert a little bit more. Tonight's storms, they're diminishing. Now, it's going to be the afternoon. Mainly, I think we'll see the severe weather right now along and south of I-20. I'm sticking with that. Large hail and damaging winds are the main threats. Most of North Texas is under that enhanced risk of severe storms. So we'll walk you through that coming up in just a second. I want to show you the first alert radar right now, and the majority of the severe activity is continuing to push its way through parts of Van Zandt County and also into parts of Rains County, where we do have a severe thunderstorm warning until 10:45 for 60-mile-per-hour winds. Just to the east of that, Franklin and Wood County, possible winds gusting up to near 70 miles per hour. So we're seeing this area that I've tracked for you continue to push its way to the east. So it's going to be in Fruitvale about 10:25, Alba about 10:30. It's 10:18 right now, and Quitman at 10:54. Zooming our way down just a little bit more for you, looking at the hail core just now, right around FM 859. Van Zandt County Road about 1903 with maybe some golf ball size hail. That's pushing its way from the west to the east at about 25 miles per hour. From there, not a whole lot developing back to the west, but we did see those storms developing along this kind of boundary as the cold front moved its way on in, the dry line catching up to that. That's where the majority of the activity developed as we went through the day. Now, this is what's interesting. Here's the high-resolution forecast model, initializing well, meaning it's picking up on the activity. That's going to work its way to the east. Now, what's interesting tomorrow morning, maybe some spotty showers around. This develops a complex of storms coming from the southwest, moving to the northeast by noon in the west sides of North Texas. That moves to the north, and then activity dies out and then starts to work its way back to the south as we have the front moving through 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and then the potential of those stronger to severe storms with that very large hail south of 20 and continue to move its way to the south. So I'm still sticking with near 20, I-20 and south of that. But you notice that here's that enhanced risk of severe storms. That does include the Metroplex. Most of North Texas under a risk factor for tomorrow. So again, I'm saying strong storms mainly along and south of 20 as we see that activity work its way north to south. 95 was where we tied the record high for today. That was set back in 1933. So we're sitting at 77 degrees, but you notice the winds are out of the north at 8. The front has moved through. The dry air is in place. We're at 70 in Denton to 72 in McKinney, but 82 in Duncanville, further to the south, 80 in Tyler. So we have the cool down on the way. Your first alert 7-day forecast shows low 80s Thursday, Friday 80 degrees. Now Saturday, small rain chances around 77 degrees on Mother's Day. Keeping in mind, we're going to see more widespread coverage for us, about a 60% coverage, 73 degrees, and that sticks around going into Monday. By next Tuesday, 83 degrees. So if you guys are going out to eat, you have the umbrella over mom, you hold the door for her, you pull the chair out for her, you just treat her like the goddess that she is. There you go. Good advice.